everyone, my name is Hương Nguyễn Wolf. Welcome to Quilling Kit Do-It-Yourself Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make lavender design. This is our kit for lavender design. In this kit we include one tweezer, one paper cutter, and one quilling pen. We also included in this is 3 paper strips to create lavender design. We also included 2 printed templates with matching envelope. We also included the blank inserts for you to write a message to your friends or family. One thing that I would like to remind you is Elmer glues is not included in this kit. However, you can find Elmer glues at any drugstores or at Michael's. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now we will prepare the glue. For the glue, I'm going to put them on flat surface and I spread them out. We don't need a lot of glue because it can be messy. I will start it making the young leaf first. I will use 1/3 of the paper strip. And we will make the coil, tie coil. Then just relax just a little bit so that you can shape it. I just squish it and put them down. On the printed design, you will see that we have green spot, so you just glue them down on those green spots to create the pattern for the leaf. It's a very small leaf, small young leaf, so just relax the coil just a little bit, not too big. From time to time, I use my tweezer to help shaping or adjusting the shape that I design. Put them down and glue them on. Then you will repeat the same process for the rest of the young leaf, just to fill all the green on the branch of the lavender. Now we will start making the flower. I will start it with the dark purple. For the dark purple, I also need 1/3 of the paper strip. This purple is a little bit thicker than the first green, so when I use only 1/3, but the coil will be a little bit bigger than the leaf. So when you open the coil, just make sure that you make it a little bit bigger than the leaf and eyeballing with the shape that you printed on the card. Just follow the pattern. And glue them on. You just follow the same shapes for this pattern, for this dark purple. You will repeat the same process for the rest of the printed pattern for the light purple. Now I'm gonna continue with the big leaf. For the big leaf, I will use the full paper strip. So as you've seen on the pattern, it's got a long thin leaf, so I will relax the circle as big as I can. Then I just push it to make a very thin kind of, long eye shape. So each side of the leaf we will have two elements, so I use two full paper strips. The paper is very flexible, you can just shape it long. Then when you glue them on the printed pattern, you can also use your tweezer to create the direction or the shape that you wish. So the tweezer tip is really helpful. You will repeat the same for the other side. Then you will have the lovely lavender looking like this. You finished making this lavender design. I really hope that you enjoy your quilling experience. If you have any further questions, you can email us at info@quillingkit.com. And remember, don't just send a card, send art. Thank you again for watching us and using our do-it-yourself kit. Bye bye. See you soon.